Oh, that chick. She's fucked.
Take a picture.
We're gonna lose that,
I should have worn my
Gypsy.
fucking flip-flops, huh?
Jenny, careful, you're gonna get your bum wet.
Fucking awesome. We're in the ocean right now.
No, we're in sewage. No, we're in sewage.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, your shoes
This isn't
are
ocean,
soaked.
this is sewage.
Whatever. Sewage, ocean. Oh, yeah, this is not good. I'm up to my ankles in pee and poop.
And cigarettes.
And caca.
Caca.
The caca hut.
I'm pretty sure I see about 10 different blunts broken up in this shit.
I don't have a rickshaw built.
Oh my god!
Oh my damn!
Fucking awesome. Oh, she's prepared.
Yeah, oh yeah.
She's like, yeah, I've been coming here all my life. This is another weekend for me. Fucking ankle deep in fucking liquid.
Oh, here we go. It's only the cabs that will drive you.
Yeah, everyone's like, oh,
Get some!
oh shit.
Only the
Drive it
cabs.
hard! Drive it hard!
Oh!
That guy's smoking weed in there. Uh-oh. He's like, dude, I can't stop in this shit. Going in my muffler. Going in my muffler. We're fucked. I think we got a broken down car here.
No way.
Oh, he's backing up. He's backing up.
Oh my god.
Not now,
Here we go.
I hope she backs into that car. Oh yeah, go that way, because that's fucking better. What the hell kind of a car is that? Keep the door closed. Unless you're coming out. Go that way! Oh, he's stopping for a green light. Go! I'm glad I wore flip-flops.
We can go to that.
Flip-flops and shorts. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. It's fucking Casco Bay, all over Commercial Street. This is fucking bad. These people, they're like, fuck those idiots. Here it goes! Holy shit! Is this a tsunami? I can feel the tsunami. Dude, this is worse than a tsunami. Go! Japan ain't got shit on me. Hey, don't talk about our rich shopkeeper. Whoops! That just happened. You're getting wet. Fuck! You're getting wet whether you like it or not. Are you kidding me?
Did you bring your paddle? Did you bring your paddle?
Rescue!
Fuck! You're helping me now.
What are you from New Jersey? It's fucking water, buddy. Your shoes? Good luck, buddy. Oh, this girl. It's time to get fucking. I think your natty ice got washed away.
I have one of them for real. You guys have a cigarette?
Yeah, we got a cigarette. Look at him go. He's trying to save his shoes. They're soaked. That kid, what the fuck? Not so bad. That guy's got it. Oh, boy.
I feel like I'm back on my
I don't have a lighter. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you, my
Good luck. Thank you. Good luck to you. Thank you. I'm enjoying it. Like my shoes and my pants are obviously ruined. As long as it's not 6 feet deep. Yeah.
Face it. Face it now.
Go for it, Justin! Go! Do it! Where's the drop off? There's feces in my shoes right now. There's feces in my shoes. Jesus Christ.
She's got
she's
I don't think those will do much good though.
No, it's up to my knees out there. Hey, put your umbrella up. seriously because it's raining. Like, that's the big concern.
It's raining.
Don't worry about the.
It's a little damp outside.
Seriously, there's feces in my shoes. It's raining a little bit. Does anybody work here? Can we get rid of the drinking rules and have our drinks out here, please? Look at what we have to put up with. I don't think the cops are going to come. Yeah, the cops will park and be like, yeah, fuck that. Yeah, no, I'm not going to go on with the first one. Yeah, because that's completely Oh! I'm going. Gun it, dude. Gun it. Don't want that shit in the muffler. Do you need a ride, van? It's on the way. If the train's leaving the station. I'm never just still a jerk. My car's a hit by this asshole. He's from Somalia. He's never seen this much water before.
Congo.
Like, great. When I saw the posters for Maine, they didn't show this. They didn't show high tide came up to the fucking commercial street. I walk on the sidewalk where it's well, I've already went. It doesn't matter.
Until I see corn in my flip-flop, I'm not
Oh my god.
step inside. Corn, yeah, corn.
Oh, oh, now you come back.
That was dark.
Now you come running back, so with your shoes and socks in hand. What the fuck's wrong with you? Throw those shoes in the ocean. Throw them in. Throw the shoes in the ocean. Throw them to the fucking sea monsters. Throw them to the sea monsters. I like these shoes.
They're not custom. You don't need them.
Yeah.
I'm custom.
Well, maybe. Yeah. That's really gay.
I feel like the shots
Watch out in there. You might get crushed.
You never know. I might get wet too. Goddamn.
Are we talking about the water or your excitement level? Yeah. I'm so wet from excitement right now. Look at what happened to my shoes. I got so excited. Alright, so you want some ice?
Yeah, I'll give you a bag.
Alright, I'm gonna walk out the floor plate. Here we go. It's gonna be alright.
Wait, hold, what? Yeah, well,
What else are you gonna do? You have to go somehow.
You want to get your favorite shoe?
Battle out there.
Do it.
All ahead! All ahead! All ahead!
Get down! Get
Dig
down!
it in! Dig it in! Hold on! Good luck! Pretty much. Well.
Yes.
At this point, you just have to.
I hope we don't have nice heels on.
Wish I had more sneakers, but hey. Oh, yes, Carl. Thank you.
Fuck you, Chevy Blazer!
I didn't guess the Jimmy. Yes, Jimmy. Jimmy! Jimmy!
Lick my flip-flops.
I have feces in my shoes.